Welcome to the world famous Guaranty RV Supercenters right here in Junction City, Oregon. I'm Gary Christians, but you know me as the van guy, and we have got a sweet trade. Just came in, doesn't even have the little sticker on the front. It's a 2019 Travato 59 GL with under 6,000 miles. Come and take a look. This one's not gonna last long. I've got the bed propped up here in the back. Come on in and take a peek. So you notice that the bed goes up vertical, so you have a big storage area through here. You've got lots of storage compartments down below. Nice little drawer right in here. And a little cubby. Good overhead storage. And then the ever popular nice toilet bathroom area. It's got a vanity. A little spot to keep your toilet paper dry. Nice recessed sink, pop-up faucet, 2-burner stove with your igniter right up in here. Good storage room for a garbage can, all your controls, and full extension on all your drawers. You've been looking at 59Gs, they're all the same. Nice shape. Compressor, refrigerator, microwave. Nice storage area, closet if you like. And then of course this is the cushion that helps make this dinette into a bed up front. So it will sleep up to 2 depending on size. And for eating, chairs turn around and it'll seat 5 people. TV, DVD, entertainment center. Well, nice screen. Running boards are affixed so they don't go back and forth. Double pane windows. Got a nice power awning. Comes out a few inches or 8 feet. Blackwater flush is here. 12-volt outlets. Hookup for TV, electrical. Your speakers. It's got an LED porch light to bring a lot of light if you have the awning out. Now this one came with a spare tire, which we're going to take off because we got the bike rack to put on. So you've got both, but when the bike rack goes on, the tire's going to come off. Of course, it's got their ladder and storage system. You put a little carrier right here. Nice shape, good, been well taken care of. They just upgraded into a Sprinter chassis. The Truma system, 110 outlet. City tank fill, propane. It runs off regular gasoline, which you fill right here. And the ever popular, all the mirrors on the Dodge Pro Ram. You can control the top and bottom mirror on both sides, as well as hit the button and the mirrors fold in. You got any questions on this unit? Don't wait, because it's going to go quick. Gary Christians, you can call me direct at 541-554-9581. My email's on the screen. Don't wait. Thank you.